Shalom, introduce my name's Yahya Agustinus Lembia. I am a student of Borele Sentani PN Staff Semester 4 Class A here. I will interpret the New Testament book contained in the Acts 31 4 to 12 with the title or Passage of Saulus and Barnabas on Cyprus Island, where we must call the stories of these apostles were written by Luke or reward the Gospel of Luke in 60 AD. In the context of the stories of the Acts article C of the 30 the 4 to 12 spoke in the Spirit of God, sent Saulus and Barnabas to Cyprus Island, the Purge, the Gospel of Salvation, or the Gospel of Christ there. This is also the first mission of Saul to deliver the Gospel of Christ to the island of Cyprus or the what. What to decide is the first trip or the beginning of service from Saul's or what will be known as Paul. When they arrived or Cyprus Island, they begin to deliver the gospel of Christ, starting from the synagogue or the Jews worship house at that time. When they deliver this gospel of Christ or this savage news, many Jews did not accept it because they were still deceived on or held story to the Pentateuch book or the law of Moses at the time. And also from the way or thinking of the Jews, they are still waiting for the saving on Savior or the Jews who come to from and curb their but what they were waiting for come from a king or a noble family. This what they still hold from the white way of thinking, but it does not shrink the hearts of Saulus and Barnabas. They continue to convey the gospel of Christ throughout the Cyprus Island at the time. We must know that Cyprus Island has an extra distinct country context and social context. From the social context of this, Cyprus Island lays in the strategic geography between the Asia, Africa, and Europa continent. From the social context of this, Cyprus Island lays in the strategic geography between the Asia, Africa, and Europa continent. So, the Cyprus Island at the time had a very extraordinary prosperity. Not only this Cyprus Island is also famous in agriculture, where Cyprus Island import many olive oil, red wine to exciting areas. In the cultural context, many groups who come at the time were people from Roman Greece and even Phoenicia to trade. The main religion will be mixed in it, such as worship of idols, and this is the main factor of the mission of Saulus and Barnabas. They continued to convey the gospel of Christ through to a place called famous day was still in the Cyprus territory, and there was me white in Jew here was but Jesus he was a magical who in his great leisure was. And this Elymas is a good friend of the governor of Cyprus Island named Sergius Paulus. Sergius Paulus is a smart or wise governor at the time, where Sergius Paulus knows and heard the news of the word of the gospel of Christ delivered by Saul and Barnabas, so that the is or of Paul or governor of Cyprus is agreed to invite Saulus and Barnabas to come the letter of company the gospel of salvation to Sergius Paulus. Arriving, Saul and Barnabas meet with a king of Paulus or governor of Cyprus Island. At the time, Elymas was afraid because Elymas knew that this gospel was heard and accepted by Paulus. Sergius at the time, Elymas Jesus was automatically the magical will be removed alone.